Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, ituturo ko kung paano mag-register ng account dito kay Ascendra. So good news to guys kasi kahit nasaan ka mang part ng mundo, since this is a global business, pwede ka na mag-register dito kay Ascendra. So ang gagawin mo lang, of course kapag nag-register kasi tayo dito, ay meron tayong makukuha agad na package, combination of products, and then yung service natin or yung insurance, and yung mastery or what we call the kumbaga parang enrollment natin or yung education, yung mastery. So napakasulit talaga nung ating pang e-enroll dito kay Ascendra. So hindi natin tinatawag ito na pay-in or yung before na natin na nakagisnan sa network marketing. So dito kay Ascendra, enrollment po yan. Kasi para tayong nag-e-enroll sa isang university na tuturuan tayo kung paano maging financial literacy. Okay? Paano maging healthy and at the same time, paano magkaroon ng financial freedom. Alright? So this is how you register an account. Okay? Pero I suggest guys, mas maganda pa rin na kontakin ninyo yung taong nag-invite sa inyo dito kasi iba pa rin yung merong mag-guide sa inyo. Okay? But then again, pwede kayong mag-register through online lang. Okay? And at the same time, yung inyong package ay makukuha nyo po dun sa ating office sa Manila. Okay? Meron din tayong office sa Bicol, I think. And magkakaroon na tayo sa iba't ibang part sa Pinas and soon sa ibang bansa na rin. Okay? At ang pinaka-good news dito guys, even if nasa abroad tayo, okay, since this is magiging para na siyang dropshipping business. So, ibig sabihin, soon, okay, ang registration is via QR code lang. So, ibig sabihin nun, i-scan lang yan ng taong in-invite mo. Okay, magre-register siya through online. At ang mangyayari dito, guys, ay yung company na mismo, yung mag-ship ng ating package. Okay? So, magre-register yung prospect mo and hindi mo na po problemahin kung paano pa ipapadala yung package ng iyong mga prospects or ng iyong bagong member or enrollee. Okay? Diba? Napaka-good news nun guys kasi dropshipping style na siya. Alright? So, abangan natin yan. So, for now, ito po ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang pumunta sa portal.ascendrainternational.ai. So, pag nandyan ka na, punta ka lang dito sa sign up. Okay? So, once you click that, ito guys yung kailangan mong kuhanin na information or i-ready na information. So, you have to register your real name, okay? And then last name, and then your birthday, gender, status, yan, yung inyong marital status. And then your email, guys, make sure na active email kasi dyan yung marireceive yung confirmation, dalawang email yung inyong marireceive. First is yung details ng inyong registration and kung paano nyo ifa-follow or babayaran yung napili nyong enrollment package. And then of course, yung inyong contact number, okay, your address, and then ito importante din guys, kailangan nyo ng sponsor's ID. Ito yung kukunin nyo sa mga taong nag-invite sa inyo. So, in my case, ilalagay ko na dyan yung sponsor's ID or yung ID number ko. Okay, you can use that if you want to be part of my team. And then after that, i-click nyo na yung next. So, dito na tayo pupunta ngayon sa package options. Okay, so since meron tayong 5 packages options, ayan, simula sa pinakamababa hanggang sa pinakamataas, okay, na executive package. So, pipili ka lang dito ng package, guys. Alright, so say for example, wala ka pang budget ngayon, no? So, pwede mong piliin itong associate package. Okay? So, select package. And then, eto guys, meron tayong pagpipilian dyan. Alright? So, meron tayong MV or yung wellness products. Ito yung combination ng mastery at saka ng vitality. Alright? And then, MVP is it's the combination of all. So, meron na tayo ditong mastery, vitality, and then protection. So, yun yung mayroong insurance. And then, yung MP naman, ito yung pure insurance lang. By the way, yung insurance kasi na to guys, is pwede nating ibenta, diba? So, ang mangyayari dyan, gagawa ako ng separate video on how to activate yung insurance. So, kung gusto natin karirin yung pagbebenta ng insurance, pwede po yon. Okay? Since napakaganda ng ating insurance. So, say for example, ang napili mo is yung combination. Ito yung meron lahat. Yung may insurance, merong products, at meron yung mastery. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, after that, okay, ito yung products na makukuha natin. Meron tayong 3 best barley, 3 barley fusion, at isang basic personal accident insurance. So, click lang natin yung choose package. Alright? And then, browse down mo yan. So, click next. Alright. So, there you go. Dito na yung payment. Okay? So, instruction guys. So, ngayon, i-confirm lang natin. So, don't mind this over the counter. Pwede namang mag-pay tayo using our online banking. Okay? So, click lang natin yung accept terms and condition. And then, i-click na natin yung pay now. Alright. So, meron siyang confirmation guys dito, no? May isa-send sa inyo si Ascendra na email. So, i-check nyo lang yung inyong email. And ito yung makikita nyo. So, ganito siya guys. Okay? So, your name. And then, thank you for choosing to proceed with our payment. Below are your payment options and details. So, meron kang transaction number dyan. Make sure na i-copy nyo mabuti. Okay? So, ang option mo natin is over-the-counter payment. And since kung ikaw ay isang OFW, nasa ibang bansa, you can choose the other option, which is yung bank transfer. So, kung meron ka dyan na ginagamit mong bank account, pang send sa Pinas, so alam mo na yan kung ano yung way mo paano mag-send sa Pinas, di ba? So, this time, ang sasendan natin is yung bank account ng Ascendra International. So, ang bank account ng Ascendra International is Union Bank of the Philippines. So, yun yung saselect mo. And then, ito yung account number. Okay? And after completing the transfer, please send your proof of payment for verification. So, ito yung contact number. And then, yung email. So, ang ginawa ko guys is, in-email ko lang itong sales@ascendra-ai.com. Okay? So, once na nag-email tayo, i-include lang natin guys yung full name ng ni-register mo. And then, yung email address niya. Active email address to guys, ha? And then, yung payment purpose. So, once payment is confirmed, you will receive an activation email. So, guys, make sure na na-save nyo yung transaction or yung receipt ng pag-send nyo ng amount dun kay Ascendra International account. So, ito yung example no, ng email. Since ako yung nag-register sa taong to, ayan. So, ito lang po yung in-email ko. Hi there, attached here is the enrollment payment for yung pangalan ng inyong ni-register at kung anong package siya. So, ito din yung hiningi niya dun sa instruction, di ba? Full name, email address, and then payment purpose. So, ang nilagay ko lang is associate enrollment package. And then, in-attach ko yung receipt. So, ito yung receipt, guys. Ayan, sinend ko dun sa Ascendra International Corporation. So, by the way, guys, Ascendra International Corporation or Corp, pwede na rin yun. Okay? Tapos, yung notes, nilagyan ko lang enrollment for kung sino yung inyong ni-register. So, this is registered last September 20. Alright? So, after that, yung first email, agad-agad yan marireceive nung taong ni-register nyo. Yung next email po is yun na yung activation. So, of course, kailangan muna nating mag-send ng proof of payment, di ba? Sa mag-email. So, once na na-receive nila yan, it will take up to 48 hours. So, na-receive ko to guys the next day after ng mag-send tayo ng proof of payment. So, ito yung the next email na marireceive ng ni-register mo. Login details na. Okay? So, yan. Hi, Alan Benabo. We're happy to inform you that your account has been successfully activated. You can now log in using the details below. So, bibigyan ka ng username and then ng password. So, ang pwede mo lang i-change dyan, guys, is yung password. Yung email, hindi mo siya ma-change yung username. Okay? Ang gamit lang talaga dyan is yung Gmail mo. Okay? So, yung password pwede mong baguhin. So, after that, pwede ka na mag-log in and you're already activated. So, of course, kailangan mo pa rin kontakin yung taong sinign-upan mo kasi ipoposition pa namin kayo. Okay? So, ang mangyayari lang dyan, guys, is ilalagay lang namin kayo sa aming genealogy. Alright? So, once na naka-activate na kayo, guys, ang mangyayari dyan is waiting pa kayo. Kailangan pa namin kayong i-position sa aming genealogy. Parang ganito. So, ito yung aking binary structure. Okay? If you registered under my team, i-assign kita dito no, sa aking right side. Kasi puno na yung ating left side. So, ang kinaganda niyan, isa na lang yung tinututukan natin na tulungan. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng effort ko is marami na tayong leaders na naipasok. Ayan, 5 na sila. So, yung effort ng mga to, yan, hanggang sa baba natin. Okay? Ito lang lahat ng directs ko kasi dito sa side natin, sa left side, na ano na to eh. Kumbaga, na-spill overan tayo ng mga leaders, kaya ang dami-dami na nila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko na to tatrabahuhin. So, good news doon, yung effort ko, lahat ng taong papasok sa akin, pasok din sa'yo. Okay? Kasi dito lang lahat yan sa right mapupunta. Sa outer right side. So, yan, dugtong-dugtong na. Okay? Ayan si niregister natin. And then, may papasok tayo ngayon na napakalupit na leader din. And sobrang na-excite ako guys kasi hindi, ano to eh, kumbaga quality versus quantity. So, konti man, mabagal man yung aking pagdidirect ngayon, pero I'll make sure na mga leaders naman talaga, na talagang sabog po ang team natin really soon. Okay? And ang maganda dito, this is a lifetime opportunity. Okay? Nagsisimula pa lang si Ascendra, nasa pre-pioneering stage pa lang tayo. Ang official launch nito is January of 2026. So by that time, malamang kung pumosisyon ka ngayon, isa ka na rin sa Millionaires Club. Okay? Kung tatrabahuin mo at sasabayan mo yung hataw namin. And ang maganda dito guys, yung goal natin dito is to help our leaders, our downlines na magkaroon din sila. At hindi lang sila basta nag-join, kundi magkaroon din talaga sila ng kita dito, ng magandang future dito kay Ascendra. Okay? So, that's how you activate your account. That's how you register your account. If I were you, pumosisyon ka na. Kasi, habang nag-iisip ka, yung mga tao, no? Yung mga tao ngayon, is na-educate na sila at nakikita nila kung gaano kaganda si Ascendra at hindi na sila nagpapatumpik-tumpik pa. So, puposisyon na yan guys. Kung puposisyon ka ngayon, madudugtong ka dito. Okay? Kung puposisyon ka next month, malamang nandito ka na sa medyo baba. But of course, still, tulungan pa rin tayo. Okay? Pero syempre, kung gusto mong mabago ang buhay mo, syempre, dapat maging action taker ka. Simulan mo na ngayon. So, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and updates with regards to our Ascendra International journey. So, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching again. This is Baby Snow. I'll see you in the next one. Happy earnings. Bye-bye.